Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Samahan nyo kami tonight. Solo Tagalog tayo today. Wala si Omar TV. Kasama natin ang dalawa nating French na katrabaho, Max and Nico. So same thing nung setup natin nung The Art of Boodle vlog. Pinahiram natin kay Nico yung Monster. Kasi si Nico next week Thursday meron siyang MSF or yung kanyang licensing sa Harley Davidson. So sabi ko sa kanya, just take the bike, ride it in your neighborhood so you can get used to it, para pag kinuha niya yung lisensya niya mas madali. So yan din yung motor na gagamitin niya sa licensing niya. Then after, pag nakuha na yung license, he's gonna get his new bike. So far, ang plano niya mag Harley Davidson siya. Yun ang dream niya. So malalaman natin kung mabubudol natin siya na kumuha ng Ducati kagaya ni Max. Etong si Nico tsaka si Max, magkaibigan na sila sa France pa yan. Ito yung mga ating French import sa trabaho. French company naman tayo, pero ito yung mga in-import nila galing sa France para magtrabaho dito sa amin. I think mas may experience si Nico sa posture niya sa pagmumotor. Kasi may lisensya na to ng motorcycle license sa France. Pati yung paggamit niya ng clutch, ng cambio, everything, halatang may experience na siya sa motor. He shouldn't have any problems getting his license on Thursday next week. Very nice. Dalawang French, naka-Monster pareho. Naka-urban mode pa si Nico eh. Pwede na to mag-sport mode eh. Sabihin nga natin mag-transfer siya sa touring. Kayang kaya eh. Sayang hindi natin nakasama si Omar TV. Dapat kasama siya sa group na to eh. Kaso last minute naalala niya, well hindi siyang nakaalala. Pinaalala sa kanya ni Mrs. Omar TV na meron pala silang charity event tonight. Na-cancel tuloy si Omar TV. Yung route na tinitake natin, same thing nung route na tinake namin nung nilabas namin si Max. Kasi yung bahay nito ni Nico papunta rin sa area na to, sa Summerlin area siya, sa town center. So malapit-lapit siya sa Red Rock actually. The view! Palaro na tong mga to. Oh my god, it's cold. Pinatay muna natin yung ating 360 kasi madilim din naman sa neighborhood na to. Single cam gaming at this point hanggang makarating tayo sa bahay nila Nico. Parang nararamdaman na natin yung dulas ng gulong ng multistrada. I mean, granted, sobrang lamig naman talaga ng temperature ngayon, so siguro mahina rin talaga yung traction, pero hindi na siya confidence inspiring kung tawagin. I think kailangan na talagang palitan yung gulong na ito ni Multi. Actually, nasa shopping cart na natin siya. Hindi na ako makakommit. Medyo madugo kasi, parang kulang-kulang $600 din yung gagastusin natin para makabili tayo ng gulong. Tapos ipapamount pa natin, close to $800 din yung gagastusin natin para lang makakuha ng bagong goma si Multistrada. It's a safety thing. Kailangan na rin natin yan. Nasa 17,000 miles na si Multistrada. Si Omar TV, nagpalit siya around 14,000 miles eh. So naka 3,000 miles over na tayo sa ginawa ni Omar TV. Kaya pwede na rin, sulit na rin. Yung and it's cold in your neighborhood.
Oh fuck!
So it's good thing that you wear this, no? The gloves.
Yes, yes.
Oh.
I'm freezing. It's cold.
Did you put it in touring or sport?
No, it's
You left it?
yeah.
It feels good, no? It still feels like brand new.
Yeah. It's hard to find the neutral
Yes. It's
because if you go too hard, it's good and
Yeah.
it's nothing. Yeah.
it's better like when you're coming to a stoplight, you know that you're gonna go on neutral. From 2 to neutral is easier. Instead of going one and then up again. Yeah. Oh my god, it's cold. When we left my house, 50 degrees.
And now it's
42. 42 here.
No. On the dashboard they say ice.
Oh,
Yeah.
Come inside, it's better inside.
okay. Thank you. No, later.
No, like that.
Tea.
Tomorrow during lunchtime, you should go to Red Rock, man. It's so close to you.
Red Rock?
Yeah.
Ah, you mean the loop?
No, not the loop, just the scenic, just the parking.
Yeah. Ah, it's so close. Yeah.
Oh. Monster, baby.
Yeah. Budol. Ah, that is cool.
Alright, so makakain muna kami ng dinner. See you guys in a bit. Alright, we are finally out. Alright guys, we are done for today. Yung ating project na ihatid si Nico sa bahay nila with the monster is pretty successful. Nakauwi na rin kami. I mean, malapit na kami. Kapitbahay ko lang naman si Max, kaya lagi kaming sabay niyan uuwi pagka nagra-ride kami together. So yeah, that's it for us today. Thank you for coming with us. Another attempt to budol if mapupersuade natin si Nico na kumuha ng Ducati versus Harley Davidson. Pero at the end of the day, like I told him, sabi ko sa kanya, whatever you think is gonna make you happy, go for it. Yung sinasabi ko nga sa kanya kanina, na you can get whatever bike you want, basta lang after 2 months, pag hindi mo na gusto yung kinuha mo, tapos pumunta ka rin sa Ducati, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin sa amin na we didn't tell you so. Alright, we are home. And hindi tayo kasya sa parking. Kailangan natin ayusin. Anyways, we are home. Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo ako kasi madilim dito ngayon. Pero we're here. So we'll continue this on the next video. Thank you for coming with us. We'll see you guys again on the next video. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.